Make it your ambition to lead a quiet life. You should mind your own business and work with your hands just as we told you, so that your daily life may win the respect of outsiders and so that you will not be dependent on anybody. These verses have been on the forefront of my mind this summer as I adjust to this new season as a homemaker and a mother. About 5 years ago, I remember first desiring a simpler life after experiencing so many sacred moments in a short period of time. I remember concluding that the sacred moments are always there. It's just a matter of whether we are too distracted to see them. That's when I realized I wanted to live a simpler life, less driven by schedules and overflowing with obligations, and instead giving myself and my family opportunities to embrace learning new skills and stewarding our home in a way that allows us to experience the sacred all around us. Homegrown vegetables in the garden, handmade quilts to pass on through the generations, raising children to understand their God-given identity is in Him, seeking Jesus together, creating an inviting and comfortable home through beauty and intentional living. Simple living is far from boring. I dare to say it's the most rewarding way to live. guys down into the basement. I never share down here because, as you can tell from the few glimpses that I just gave you, our basement is out of control. When we first moved in, we painted the walls, the stairwell, the doors, and at the time I had a very different idea of what I wanted to do with this space to begin with. So a lot of it that I originally did is going to be redone as well. The walls are in rough shape. They're just basically sheetrock, I think, and you can see a lot of like marks and things in the wall. So we're planning on putting up some shiplap on the walls, up the stairwell, stripping the railings because they were the most beautiful wood tone. I have no idea why I painted them black at the time, but I did. I have these beautiful brown beams. We have some other big projects. Right now the floor is just cement. We'd like to do the flooring. We'd like to make it really, really cozy down here because this is another great amount of living space that we could be utilizing and having some extra areas that we can live in. First step obviously down here is to go through everything. There's a lot of things that I've had since we moved into this home that just don't serve us anymore, so we need to donate some things. A lot of decor down here that I switch out, and I need to see, is it something that I am in love with that I would switch out upstairs and actually use, and if so, I need to label it in bins so I know where everything is, because right now everything's just thrown in some storage containers. They're not labeled properly. Some stuff is just out in the open, and yeah, a lot of seasonal decor, a lot of like seasonal clothing that we just need to go through. It honestly looks really bad, and it is pretty bad. It's not as bad, I don't think, as it feels. I don't think it will take me too long to go through it, but it's definitely going to be a project, and with the baby and whatnot, it's definitely going to take us some time. So that is something we're going to start working on really, really soon. My husband actually started working on some of his tools and things like that he needs to go through. So I'm going to try to make some time down here to go through some stuff. I have a lot of stuff down here that I just need to decide. Do I love it? Will I use it upstairs when I switch out my seasonal decor and whatnot? And if I don't absolutely love it, if it doesn't go with our home very well, I just need to part with it, and that's that. So I'm really excited though to bring you guys along on this journey. If you guys are interested, I thought it'd be really fun to do a whole series down here. It won't be every video consecutively in regards to the basement. It will be like a video here, because it is going to be a long process. We have a couple things that we'd like to do that will require contractors coming in as well. So it's going to be a long process. I'd say hopefully by the end of the year it's all done, but we're definitely starting to get the ball rolling to see what we can get done and utilizing any spare time we have, because it's definitely harder to do now that the baby's here. So if you're interested in the basement makeover series, then let me know. And over the course of the rest of the year, here and there, I'll have a video showing you guys the updates. One of the updates that we would be doing is I would love to take our couch from upstairs. So the couch that we have is from IKEA, and I think it's the Kivik. I'll have to find out and put it here for you guys. Love the couch, great couch. Has been with us for 5 years now. In our current home, the living room is pretty tiny, and so having the lounger on that couch really takes up literally half of the living room. So it would be much better to either have 2 love seats or a regular couch without a lounger on it, so that we have some more floor space to work with. And so we'll see. I would love to replace the couch upstairs, bring that down here so we have a comfier lounging area, and then get a new couch for upstairs. So like I said, a lot of potentials, what we can do utilizing the space, and also what that means for our spaces upstairs as well. So if you guys are interested, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you can be a part of that whole makeover journey. If you just like homemaking and homesteading videos in general, anything home related, make sure you subscribe, because that's what we do here, and I'd love to have you. I'll see you guys in the next one.